Hello, it's Jess from This Crafty Heart, and today I am super excited to share with you the newest release from Kat Scrappiness. These products are available now at katscrappiness.com, and they definitely deserve a space in your craft room. Let's start with the two new paper pads. First up, we have the Birthday for Her. This is a pack of 24 sheets of 6x6 paper. There are 12 different double-sided designs, and you will receive 2 sheets of each design. We've got party perfect designs like balloons, cake, buntings, and party time in soft but fun colors. Let's take a look at some of the samples that our extraordinary design team has created using these party papers. Next up is Birthday for Him. Just like the Birthday for Her paper pack, this is 24 sheets of 6x6 paper, and there are 12 different double-sided designs. You will receive 2 sheets of each design. The color scheme of this pack is fun, bolder colors. Designs such as cheers, buntings, candles, and stars are perfect for crafting birthday wishes. Let's see what our design team has come up with using these fun papers. This release also includes 2 new stamp sets. The first I'll be showing you today is Crafty Fun. This is a 6x6 high quality photopolymer stamp set, and it says things such as, I rescue craft supplies, I'm not a hoarder, I'm a hero. I'm so crafty, I sweat glitter. You're the ink to my stamp. Crafting because adulting was a terrible idea. Powered by paper. I'm just one die set away from inner peace. Ink happens. Let's get crafty. If you can read this, I'm probably avoiding housework. Life is short by the craft supplies. Craft supplies are my emotional support items. You're worth the good cardstock. Crafting is cheaper than bail. And finally, this card was handmade with love, caffeine, and mild rage. Here's a sample that I made using the stamp set. I created this background with the cow print stencil and a bunch of ink and water a while back, and it was just sitting in a drawer. So I added a few die cuts to it and a sentiment from the Crafty Fun stamp set, and boom, I had a card. Let's see what the design team has done with this awesome stamp set. Next up is the Tropical Hibiscus Flower Dies. This set contains 4 flowers, 2 each of 2 different sizes, leaves that go with your flowers, flower centers, and your stamens. There are larger centers and smaller centers, and each set of stamens has a larger and smaller as well. There are also 2 each of 2 different sizes of monstera leaves, and here's a sample of what the flowers look like once they're assembled. Next up, some samples from the design team using these dies. Also in this release is the Jungle Frame die. This die cuts the most beautiful, detailed A2 size jungle frame. Look at all that detail. This is what it looks like when it's cut out of Kat's Granny Apple cardstock. Now I did do a little inking with my Kat Scrappiness dabber. This is such a dainty die cut. You probably wouldn't want to use your ink blending brushes, but the dabber is just perfect to dot on a little bit of darker green ink to give it a little more depth. The design team has come up with some awesome samples using this frame, so let's take a look. Next up is the fabulous Feathered Friends stamps. This set includes flamingos, a tropical drink, hibiscus flowers in 2 sizes, 2 monstera leaves, a toucan in his aloha shirt, a suitcase, be your own kind of fabulous, let's flamingle, shake your tail feathers, hello sunshine, have a flamazing birthday, sip sip hooray, and life is better with fabulous friends. We also have the coordinating dies for this stamp set. Now, I love that there are dies that cut out the sentiments because sometimes you just need those sentiments cut out perfectly, you know? There are also dies for all of the images, including the flamingos, leaves, drink, flower, suitcase, and toucan. Now, here's a sample that I created using Fabulous Feathered Friends and the Crafty Fun set. And here's a shaker card that I created using this stamp set along with the Tropical Paradise Glitter Sequin Mix, which are just perfect for this card because they have little bits in them that look kind of like ice cubes, and they coordinate perfectly with that tropical drink. The design team has made some amazing samples with this set, so let's take a look. And now let's take one last look at all of the items in this release. We have the Birthday Fun for her and Birthday Fun for him paper packs, the Crafty Fun stamp set, Tropical Hibiscus flower dies, Jungle Frame, and Fabulous Feathered Friends stamps and dies. These are such fun products, and I hope you're as excited about them as I am. They're available now, so definitely pop over to katscrappiness.com and take a look.